What's up guys, and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be doing some GCSE chemistry and specifically states of matter. I know you're all really excited for this, so I hope you enjoy the video and find it useful. Let's get started. So first things first, there are three states of matter we need to know about: solids, liquids and gases. Starting with solids, as you can see, solids have a pretty regular structure. This is achieved by strong forces of attraction between particles, which holds them tightly together to form a rigid lattice structure. These particles don't move from their positions, so solids always have a constant shape and volume. The particles vibrate around a fixed position, and the hotter they become, the more they vibrate, which means solids tend to expand when they're heated. In terms of liquids, they have weaker forces of attraction between particles than solids. This results in the particles being randomly arranged and free to move around, but they tend to stick close together. This means that liquids don't have a definite shape, so they take the shape of the container basically, but they do have a definite volume. The particles are in constant motion in a random direction. When the liquid is heated, the speed of the particles increases, causing the liquid to expand. And finally, in gases, the forces of attraction are extremely weak between the particles. They're free to move and are spaced out, so gases don't have a fixed shape or volume, they just fill the container they're in. The particles move in straight lines, travelling constantly in random directions. When a gas is heated, the energy and therefore speed of the particles increase, causing the gas to expand, increasing the pressure within the container. Now we've successfully identified the three states of matter, we are now able to talk about the transition of one substance from one state to another. So let's start with the red arrows, which all involve heating a substance and therefore causing the particles inside it to gain more energy, causing them to speed up. Firstly, when melting a solid, we heat the solid, causing the particles to gain energy and move faster, weakening the forces of attraction between the particles, causing the solid to expand and for the particles to break free from their fixed positions, forming a liquid. In order to evaporate a liquid, we need to heat the liquid, causing particles to gain energy and speed till a certain temperature when the bonds between the particles will be broken and a gas is formed. In some circumstances, a solid can transition directly into a gas, and this process is called sublimation. Next, we'll move on to the blue arrows, which involve cooling a substance and therefore causing the particles to lose energy. If we take a gas and cool it, it will cause the particles to slow down, allowing bonds to form between the particles and a liquid will be formed. This process is called condensation. If we then cooled that liquid even further, the particles would lose even more energy, slowing them further. The forces of attraction between particles increase until they arrive in fixed positions in a closely packed lattice arrangement, forming a solid. This process is known as freezing. Anyway people, that brings us to the end of another video. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed, because it will really help the channel. Anyway, see you in another video.